I was sitting with a client yesterday, and one of the things that came up was his website. And he said he loved it, even though it was older. The design was a little older, everything was a little not so good. But we were speaking about it, and my question to him was, is your website performing? And he asked me, what do you mean? And I told him, I said, is your website bringing you more business? And he said, how do I know that? I said, well, do you get contact forms where people call you saying that they found you on your website or something of that sort? And he said, no. And I go, have you ever had any conversions off your website? He goes, no, never. So we took a look at his website. Contact form was working, but nothing was coming through. So I think this is a really big, important principle for anybody who runs a business or who works at a business that has a website, which is all businesses hopefully. Is your website performing? Are you building a website that really successfully communicates what your mission is, communicates what your service lines are, and even more so, are they capturing people's information? Are people converting on the website? So you have your homepage, right? If you're selling products, are your best products featured on that? If you have your service lines, you have your service pages. Is there a call to action on those pages for a contact form, for at minimum, someone just from that page to be able to fill something out and send it to you? And if not, then you're already a few steps behind, but there's so much more that goes into a beautiful website. There's obviously the design. It has to be captivating. It has to gain your attention. But after that, is it communicating your mission, your value, why people should work with you versus your competition? And if not, you need to rewrite that content. You need to specifically tell them, as if you're talking to them face to face or in a video. You should be writing out exactly what the important parts are and communicate that through your website. So once you have that on your website, you think to yourself, okay, are people coming in now? And if not, why? Is it laid out the way it needs to? Is the UI, user interface, easy to use? Is the UX, user experience, fun? Is it an easy experience for them through your website? So there are different metrics you can look up online for that, but here at EMRG, that's what we do. We focus on the conversions because ultimately that's what's going to help drive business for them.